How you doing? This is John from Betty and Nick's Bait and Tackle in Seaside Park, New Jersey, and www.bettynix.com. This is going to be our first video of the renovations for Betty and Nick's. I'm just going to be quiet and take you through, show you how we're progressing right now. Well, that's it. I will be doing more updates as we go because we're going pretty fast now. And we will see you soon. Please keep visiting the site every day, several times a day. Please click on the ad banners. We appreciate it. Peace.